Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometry exercise 3.3. That is from problem 16. Numerator I am left out with sin 2x. Denominator I am left out with cos 10x. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Numerator you can observe, numerator is in the form sin c plus sin d. Sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y, we need to prove tan of x minus y by 2. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometry exercise 3.3. That is from problem 16. So now we'll take LHS. What is LHS we have? Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So now numerator is in the form cos c minus cos d. All of you know. So before we start solving this, first we'll recollect the basic. All of you know cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Remember, always difference can be written as c plus d by 2 and c minus d by 2. If it is cos, both will be same. So if it is minus, both will be sin. This is the formula. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Then denominator is in the form sin c minus sin d. So you should also know sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now further, numerator I can write it as, so numerator can be written as minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9x plus 5x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 9x minus 5x by 2 divided by sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 17x plus 3x by 2 into sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Now further you can observe, minus to 2 cancels, plus by minus is minus. So next we have that is equal to, what is left out? Minus sign is left out. Sin, what is 9 plus 5? Here let me just calculate 9 plus 5 by 2. 9 plus 5 by 2, 14 by 2, 7. So like that, this is sin 7x. Sin 7x, but outside we have minus. And here 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? 4. 4 by 2, 2. So sin 2x divided by cos 17 plus 3, 20, 20 by 2, 10. So cos 10x into 17 minus 3, 14, 14 by 2, 7. Sin 7x. Observe this, or I'll write this step here. Now here we had minus of, if I add this, 14 by 2, 14 by 2x, and similarly we had sin 4x by 2. Denominator we had one cos term, cos 20 by 2, the other one sin 14 by 2. So now further you can simplify. So I can cancel sin 7x, and I am left out with minus. Numerator I am left out with sin 2x. Denominator I am left out with cos 10x. Check whether we got the same answer or not. What is RHS? Minus sin 2 by cos 10. So minus sin 2 by cos 10. This is RHS, hence the proof. All of you understood. So we are using cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d and simplify. Next. Sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x. We need to prove this as tan 4x. As usual, take LHS. Numerator is in the form sin c plus sin d. All of you know sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is 5x minus 3x by 2 divided by, denominator is in the form cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So that is 5x minus 3x by 2. Here without simplification, here directly I can cancel. This is a product. So cos of 5x minus 3x by 2, cos of 5x minus 3x by 2 will cancel. What is left out? 2, 2. That also will cancel. So whatever is left out, I'll write. I am left out with sine of 5 plus 3 by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2 divided by cos of 5x plus 3x by 2. This is left out. All of you know sine 8x by 2 cos 8x by 2. So further you can divide this. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So I have sine 4x by cos 4x. You know sine 4x by cos 4x is tan 4x. This is RHS. I hope all of you understood this. Next we have sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y. We need to prove tan of x minus y by 2. Use the same formula. Take LHS sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. So numerator is in the form of sin c minus sin d. Or if you know sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Now you can cancel the terms. So I can cancel cos of, what are the like terms? 2, 2 cancels. Cos of x plus y by 2, cos of x plus y by 2 cancels. What is left out? So whatever is left out, we'll write that. We are left out with numerator sin of x minus y by 2, denominator cos of x minus y by 2. They are not like terms, so I cannot cancel. So you know sin by cos. What is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. I can write it as tan of x minus y by 2. This is RHS, hence the proof. So tan of x minus y by 2, we got it. We'll start with the problem 19. We'll take LHS. What is LHS? Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. Numerator, you can observe, numerator is in the form sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So numerator becomes 2 sin x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2. Denominator cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? That is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2. Further, cancel the like terms. I can cancel 2, 2. I can cancel cos of 3x minus y by cos of x minus 3x, cos of x minus 3x by 2. Both are like terms. So what is left out? You write it. So what is left out? We are left out with sin of x plus 3x by 2. Sin of x plus 3x by 2 is left out, divided by cos of x plus 3x by 2, cos of x plus 3x by 2. So you know sin by cos, sin of x plus 3x is 4x, 4x by 2 is 2x, x plus 3x is 4x, 4x by 2x is 2x. You know sin by cos is tan 2x. So check the RHS. RHS is also tan 2x. We also got tan 2x. So RHS. So repeatedly from the problem 16, we are using transformations. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus sin d by 2. And cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. So please remember the transformation so that you can do all the problems easily. Next, sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x. So numerator sin c minus sin d. So let us take LHS. In left hand side we have sin x minus sin 3x. Denominator sin square x minus cos square x. Sin square x minus cos square x. You can use up, what is that, a square minus b square, or you can use transformation. So numerator sin c minus sin d can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2 x plus 3x by 2 into sin x minus 3x by 2 divided by, we have interesting format. If I take minus common, it will become cos 2x. So if I take minus common, can I write it as cos square x minus sin square x? Outside I wrote minus. So further simplify this. We'll have 2 as it is. X plus 3x, 4x, 4x by 2 is 2x. So cos 2x. Then x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 2x by 2 is minus x. So sin minus x divided by, minus is outside, I'll write it. So cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. So now I'm using multiple angle. All of you remember cos 2 theta in maths can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. One of the interesting result which makes your process easier. Or we can write 2 cos square theta, like that, so many. So we had cos square x minus sin square x. So in last step we have cos square x minus sin square x. That cos square x minus sin square x, I am writing it cos 2x. It can be proved also. So now cos 2x cancels, and I am left out with 2. Sin of minus x is minus sin x divided by minus 1, that is minus cancel, so I will be left out with 2 sin x. I got 2 sin x. They wanted to prove 2 sin x. We got 2 sin x. Therefore RHS. Very interesting. Denominator you can write a plus b into a minus b, sin x plus cos x. But we want transformation. It will take longer time. So we use multiple angles. What is cos 2 theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. That's why when I observed sin square minus cos square, I will take minus. Sin a square minus b square. If you take minus, it will become b square minus a square. Same thing. Sin square minus cos square. If I take minus, it will become cos square minus sin square. Cos square minus sin square can be written as cos 2x. So that's what we have done. And this is the answer. Next, see, now repeatedly I use transformations to solve the problems. Please sit and revise all the problems and practice them and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.